the very first ever Cebu Grind Parade collaborating the Cebu City and Cebu Province. A huge success to the LGBTQ community, and we would like to honor and thank ang inahan sa Sugbo karon, Governor Pamela Baricuatro, with all over her support. And of course, our Cebu City Mayor Archiva, because without them, this event would not be possible. And of course, the organizers of Cebu Pride Movement and all the LGBTQ community. Happy Pride to all of you.